Hi, I'm George. I'll be your guide through this transdisciplinary workshop. I'm an academic who teaches across faculties at UTS. I'm going to go on this journey with you, along with the UTS mentors who are there to help you if you need them. Are you ready? Journeys always start with the first step. This one's a journey of discovery. Along the way, you'll be asked to consider the concept of connectedness in some unusual or different ways. You'll be investigating connections between people, thoughts and ideas, actions and responsibilities, systems and environments. This is a transdisciplinary journey. Whoa, what does that mean? Well, that means we need to look at how we are thinking and learning from a range of perspectives. Like all good journeys, it starts with a map. This is not an ordinary map. It's a journey map that describes your journey through the workshop and what we will be creating along the way. You'll notice some icons on our map. These represent the 4 different activities embedded in the journey. You'll notice some words on the map too. These are concepts and actions that you'll engage with as you progress. See how they increase in number? This is how your transdisciplinary knowledge will build so that you can present your own insights back to us in Activity 4 and beyond. At each stage of the journey, you will be asked how you're travelling. Be honest, we love that sort of feedback. It helps us to understand the journey better. It's like sitting around the campfire at the end of the day, talking about what you discovered along the way. Let's go back to the beginning. Lately, we've been living in a viralscape. Coronavirus has totally infected how our society operates. Let's face it, even though we've all been operating in new and unusual ways, we keep trying to find ways to stay in touch. In this workshop, we are united in our goal to stay healthy, connected, and curious about the future. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to create 4 visual artifacts. By that I mean 4 big collective artworks that represent our connectedness. And how are we going to do that? We're going to use new and unusual ways to create and share the artifacts with you. But not just you, but your school community, the university, and the general public. Your contribution is important. It's all about how we are staying connected. That's why our workshop is called Connected Forces, a bit like all the different planets in the Star Wars universe coming together for a singular mission. It explores our current situation from a number of different perspectives. It's so we can appreciate how connection, collaboration, communication, and curiosity help us to share discoveries and feelings about being human in a viralscape. I don't mean something that has gone viral online, but a real virus that changes the landscape, environment, or situation. Because the workshop is transdisciplinary, that means we will ask you to investigate ideas from multiple angles and think through multiple systems. These skills are vital to understanding how to innovate and find solutions to complex problems. But wait, what am I talking about? Connected forces? Before we start, we all need to have a common understanding. So the first thing you need to ask yourself is, what are the fundamental forces of nature that connect us? So get out of here and go do the introduction quiz to get started.